Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make simple pinning tray out of paper. This is used paper, sheet of paper, so it's very easy to make it, and it's kind of temporal pinning tray if you want it here and now. I usually don't like pinning trays because I don't need them. People make really good and beautiful pinning trays out of wood, plastic, on 3D printers, etc. But I never needed a pinning tray, something serious, so I usually used paper to make one. So you just bend the paper to shape it like accordion. It's really easy. You could make it to be bigger, smaller, depending of the pin size, and it's really easy to make it. It works fine, so there is no need for something serious, but if you want, you could make a pinning tray out of anything you want if you are a craftsman. So I bent this sheet of paper a couple of times, so I have this. When I stretch it, I have this, so the pins go on those slots here. And it could be smaller, it could be bigger. Let's make a bigger, let's make a smaller one. It's really easy to make any kind of pinning tray, for smaller, for bigger pins, doesn't matter. For smaller padlocks, when you got them, you could make smaller gaps, smaller those, I don't know how do you call it, but smaller slots. So it doesn't matter. Paper, you could shape the paper like as you want it. You could shape it as your needs, for your needs. So that's the great thing about the paper, because when you make one pinning tray, maybe you're gonna want something smaller, something bigger, so you wanna make another one, and maybe you don't have space, you don't have time, you don't want to buy pinning tray, or you don't have a 3D printer. Here it is, smaller one for bigger amount of pins, larger amount of pins, and all of those slots are really good for putting pins into them. Also, you have empty space if you want to put the core or something like that. You just bend the paper a couple of times, make it like this, and it will last. It will last for sure. It will be okay. So you have a space for bigger components. It will hold them, not if you push them or something like that, but it will hold them, and you have spacing for the pins. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.